Hi everyone, in this video let us understand regarding the filters feature of live chat. So live chat is the place where all of your customer conversations are available in one place, and to organize the chats better, we will create a filter. So on the top right, you can see an option of filters. You will click on that, and over here you will be able to see all your filters that are previously created. And you have two options. First is the create chat filter and second is to create a temporary filter. So if you click on create chat filter, you are creating a permanent filter, and this type of filter will get saved and stays visible in the panel, so you can reuse it anytime. So let's start by giving our filter a name. So you can give your filter identification. Then you can control which chat appears based on the assignment. So you can filter based on the assignment, whether they are assigned to you or they are assigned, unassigned, or all of the chats. Then you can choose which type of chats you want to see, such as the incoming chats, the outgoing messages, the API based messages, bot conversations, or only unblocked chats. Then you can narrow this further by selecting all the chats or unread chats or the chats which you have already replied. Further, you can decide whether you want to view all the chats or you want to view only the open chats that need action or chats that are already closed. Then you can also include or exclude the archived chats from here. And lastly, we have filter chats based on the chatbot status. So whether the chatbot is paused, the chatbot is active, or else it is active but no bot is assigned. Then after that, you can also set in this filter as default, and once configuring everything, you will click on save.
Now let's take an example of how you can apply a filter. So for that, again we will click over here and we will be able to see the filters that we have created, and I will click on that filter to apply it. And as it is unread chats, so over here all the chats that are unread are visible.
In the similar way, you can create a temporary filter also. So it will apply instantly and it is useful for quick checks or one-time use. So this works in the same way, but it is not safe for later use. So when you will switch views or refresh, the temporary filter is removed automatically. So to use any of the saved filters, you will just click on this icon, and from here you can also create segments. So to do this, just click on the segment icon. You will give your segment a name. And then you can click on go to filters. From here you will select the field, select the condition, and then you can just create segment. So by using filters and segments together, you can manage high chat volumes, prioritize the conversations, and respond faster. Thank you for watching.